Welcome back, guys. Today we're reviewing the Corsair Virtuoso SE gaming headphones, and let's get straight into it. Alright, so for the design of the headset, we got some plush memory foam leather for the top and the ear cuff. The ear things, they move, they're very adjustable. You can get it wherever you want to. It has like bigger sizes for bigger heads and it can adjust different people. It's very comfortable when you're wearing glasses. There's no pain at all. It's very sleek, very like a luxury design. And it has RGB, or I'm not even sure if it's RGB, but it has like a little pixel display screen of Corsair. For the sides, it's like it has a little design in it, but it's really easy to dirty it up. I had to clean it before and I just kept on spraying it and wiping it because it's kind of hard to clean and it clogs up the display, the ship thing, so that's kind of a down. For the little control thing, you have a USB-C charging, you have the battery percentage light, which is green, yellow, and red. I'm pretty sure it has 20 hours of battery life. You have the audio in cable port. I connect it with my Blue Yeti to see what I sound like. And then you have this microphone jack. It comes with its own microphone. That's kind of what it looks like. You can bend it whatever which way. Very flexible. It has the microphone right there, and it's got a LED or RGB display thing, and you can mute yourself with the bottom below. And when you do, it turns red. I've used the microphone for gaming, and that was kind of my main mic before I got the Blue Yeti.
This is what the headset audio sounds like. I don't really know what to say. This is just what it sounds like. I'm gonna put on a fan in the background to test it. This is what it sounds like with 3 fans on. I got my PC fans, air filter, and another fan on, so hopefully this sounds pretty good. Yeah, testing. I don't know what to say.
I really like this headset. I got it for Christmas like 3 years ago and it served me really well. I use it every single day when I'm gaming. There's no complaints, although it is a little bit heavy, so my neck kind of hurts whenever I'm playing for like an extended amount of time. For the audio quality, it has surround sound and some pretty high fidelity drivers, so it's like really good, very immersive. So if you are looking for a headset, this I would definitely recommend. It's luxury, the audio quality is crazy. It has a wireless function with a little USB you just plug into your PC. Excellent microphone, I use it all the time. I'm pretty sure I've used it to record gaming videos as well. It has a long-lasting battery, even though I'm pretty sure for me, I just play too much games. It is just a great top-tier gaming headset.